In today's episode, we are going to be talking about Uniswap and Avalanche. So obviously, if you guys have been following my YouTube channel, we have been killing the trades like crazy. If you really want to check out the proof, check out my last video. Everything that I said with regards to Uniswap happened. So if you really participated and you were following along, right, obviously doing your own technical analysis, right, then you guys should be most definitely in a lot of profit. Moreover, we got this particular cryptocurrency for free, plus we are trading it, so obviously everything is super amazing. Anyhow, last time that we talked about Uniswap, right, I obviously spoke about getting to buy Uni tokens around $4.50 all the way down to about $4.20. Surprisingly or amazingly, the price dropped all the way down to about $4.09, and that was like a very quick wick to the downside. So it just happened like in a fraction of a second. So if you had bids as low as $4.20, then you should be happy right now. You should be having a lot of fun and you are doing very great right now. And when that drop happened, right, obviously the price reached all the way up to about $5.55. This was a high. Can you imagine like buying close to this area, right? This is where we experienced that downside, okay? And then it pumped all the way down, all the way up to about $5.50. That's very good profit, guys. That's very good profit. You wouldn't really get this using traditional markets. So I really hope that you enjoyed that one. But obviously, ever since this particular peak right over here, we have been having a downtrend as far as Uniswap is concerned. So right now we are in this area where we might potentially go to the upside. Now there's a very interesting topic that I really want to talk about, especially with regards to the hype of Uniswap. You see, if you really want to make a lot of money investing in cryptocurrencies, you have to know when to let go. Okay, a lot of people barely make money investing in cryptocurrencies because they end up falling in love with these cryptocurrencies. So by the time the hype cycle comes to an end, you guys just end up holding your cryptocurrencies because you want to buy purple Lamborghinis. Okay, I shouldn't have said purple Lamborghinis, but you guys have got your own dream cars and your own dream houses and that stuff. So you really get carried away. It's very important for us to understand when the hype is dying down. Okay, so in order for us to determine this, right, we obviously have to look at a lot of different factors. And this particular YouTube channel is meant to be very basic, but I appreciate my subscribers. I really respect all my subscribers. You guys really rock with me and you guys really support me. And I'm going to be telling you the secrets that cryptocurrency whales do not want you to know. You see, if you really want to make money in this game, you have to look at on-chain data. On-chain data, especially with regards to Bitcoin. I'm telling you, there's a few platforms out there that really provide comprehensive on-chain data, but I'm not going to get into that because I want you to cultivate a spirit of doing your own research, because I do not want you to be running to my YouTube channel and just getting all this information. I really want you to get really involved. Oh my God. You see, when I cough, that really means I'm saying the truth. So I just told you the whole truth. Okay. A lot of people usually use technical analysis, because if you use technical analysis alone, you're looking at what everybody is looking at. If you really want to make this money, you have to be looking at other places where people are barely looking at. Am I making any sense? Anyhow, that was just a free nugget for you. So look at on-chain data as far as Bitcoin is concerned. You hear? You understand? Okay, so now Okay, yeah, that was like a very good nugget that I gave you. If you know, if you do research on on-chain data, you guys are going to be rolling in a lot of money. Trust me. Anyhow, getting back to Uniswap, right? You know, I'm coming to realize that due to the fact that we are experiencing like some tragedy as far as traditional markets are concerned. Right now, we are looking at the gold/USD chart, and obviously, right now the markets aren't they're not really working, right? So, yeah, some information might be distorted, and but things are looking a little bit bearish as far as Bitcoin. Sorry, as far as gold/USD is concerned. So that's like something that you have to have at the back of your mind and just say, okay, gold is a little bit bearish right now. If the markets are going to, you know, continue, you know, on Monday. By the way, today is the 27th of September. It's like midnight right now. So yeah, I'm in +3 GMT. I can't really give you my location for safety reasons. Okay, so getting back to gold, right? Gold is a little bit bearish. Now there's a direct correlation between gold and BTC. However, we have the S&P 500, right? It's a little bit bullish. Okay? Now the S&P 500 is going to resume its operation on Monday, which is going to be tomorrow, right? So we obviously have like a few hours. So this is one of the reasons why I really want you to understand that trading cryptocurrencies is time based. If you guys are going to be watching this video in the future, everything that I'm talking about is probably going to be irrelevant. Okay? So anyhow, my channel is mostly about trading, and I want you to get into a trader's mindset. So everything that I'm going to be talking about is obviously going to be catering for the short term. Okay? Can somebody say hallelujah? Do you guys comprehend? So anyhow, getting back to the S&P 500, obviously we closed very bullish as far as the S&P 500. The 4 hourly on the S&P 500 bullish as hell. We might end up pumping towards this particular resistance at 3,414 points. So if that's going to happen, right, then we are obviously going to experience some explosive gains in the cryptocurrency market. Right now, we are currently in limbo. However, there's a possibility that we might end up topping at 3,316 because people are a little bit edgy right now. So we might end up just a few points from where we are. Right now, we are currently sitting at 3,298 points as far as the S&P 500 index is concerned. And the markets are going to resume trading on Monday. Like literally, I don't know, like less than 24 hours from today. So whatever decisions you are going to be making as far as investing in cryptocurrencies, right, you have to balance up everything. Obviously, you guys understand that according to historic data, the markets have been performing very badly in October. Today is the 27th of September. The smartest thing that you can be doing right now is converting all your best performing assets into stable coin. Get into stable coin and wait for the crash. There's going to be a massive crash as far as Bitcoin is concerned, because every year America is having an election, right? End of September and October, these are like the worst performing months because everybody is a little bit on the edge. So if I were you, I would be scaling out of a lot of different positions. Okay, you are supposed to be in stable coins and waiting for the price to tank so that you can buy these different assets extremely cheap. Now I'm giving you a lot of money making information right there, because a lot of people are going to end up being stuck. A lot of people are going to end up not having reserves to buy back cheap. like what happened in March, right? Obviously that dump was an amazing opportunity to like literally buy any alternative cryptocurrency and just make free money. I want you to reserve your capital, wait for that nasty crash and just long the bottom. You don't even have to like long the exact bottom, you just have to long the dump. That's it. You guys are going to be able to make 400% profit like in a few weeks. Trust me. So moral of the story is we are supposed to be careful. As far as Uniswap is concerned, we are supposed to be very, very careful. Now let's go back to the Uniswap chart. Uni. So hold on. So we already talked about the S&P 500 and what might potentially happen. Gold markets are a little bit bearish right now. So obviously in about 8 to 24 hours, I'm obviously going to be in stablecoin. So getting back to Uniswap, this is what's happening. We are at $4.81. And at the moment, I don't know, guys. It really looks like we have come to the end of the hype cycle. So obviously, it's not really going to be as lucrative with regards to trading a lot of these alternative cryptocurrencies. You know, to be specific, Uniswap. However, if we take a look at the MACD, the 4-hourly, right, we are most likely running out of selling pressure. As you can see here, the bars are becoming lighter. So for the past 3-4 hour bars, we have lost selling pressure, which is very good. So if the selling pressure has come to an end, we might see a continuation to the upside. With regards to how far, it's obviously going to continue going up, right? I would obviously look for a few areas which are obviously going to be very detrimental. So let's just assume this particular low was the bottom and this particular low right over here was the bottom, right? I'm just assuming because perhaps we might continue going to the downside. Nobody really knows, but right now it really seems like we have formed some sort of stability right around the $4.74. So I'm just assuming that $4.74 is the immediate sort of support. If that happens, I'll probably look forward to taking some profit right around $5.38 and $5.81. If we're going to continue pumping, right, then obviously getting all the way up to about $7.65 is obviously going to be my final take profit area. Okay, so go for the 38.2% fib level, which is $5.38. That's your take profit area 1. Your second take profit area 2 is going to be $5.81, and your final take profit is obviously going to be at $7.68. That is if we are not going to drop below $4.66 or even $4.78. Okay, so I really hope that you guys understand the logic. Whatever is going to happen to the price, if the price goes just keeps on dumping, right, just look at that particular bottom and just do your Fibonacci extension levels, and then you guys are going to find some very good take profit type of areas, and then you guys are going to be good to go. So if you just want to like use your eyes, you can obviously take a look at that particular area as well, but it's obviously very advisable to use Fibonacci extension levels, and then you guys are going to be good to go. So I really hope that you understand that. Besides that, I'm obviously going to be trading Avalanche. Avalanche is around $4.64. The market cap is only $114,000 level. 114 million US dollars. That's the market cap valuation. So obviously this one is obviously going to be very explosive, and if we are going to experience like a very dramatic crash as far as the traditional markets are concerned, as far as cryptocurrency is concerned, right, then obviously this is going to be like a very good long-term type of investment. And right now we are at $4.61. So in comparison to Uniswap, right, obviously Avax Avalanche is just beginning to get into that overhyped territory. So we have like way much more juice to squeeze out of this particular lemon. Okay, with regards to Uniswap, right, I mean, we did very well. I mean, we did trade the trends up and down, and we made the most out of it. But in comparison to Avalanche, right, Avalanche just recently got listed on one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges in the whole wide world, Binance, and a lot of people barely know about Avalanche. I'm sure you guys don't even know what this is, but if you do your own due diligence, you guys are going to be mesmerized, and you guys are going to be perplexed about how important and innovative this particular blockchain is. But you know, I am a trader. I don't really care about none of that. Me, I just want to make money. That's it. So anyhow, with regards to the hype cycle of Avax, right, so I'm really hoping that this particular threshold, $4.30, was the recent low, and we're going to continue going to the upside. So obviously I'm going to be looking forward to taking profit. By the way, I did buy here, which was the recent low around $3.51, and look at me, I am making some decent profit right now, and we are forming some sort of double bottom right over here around the $4.21 all the way up to about $4.30. So I'm a beast of a trader. I am a beast. I mean, I am becoming a beast. I'm trying my best to like improve my trades. And yeah, so obviously I got in around this area, and I'm hoping to ride all the way up to about $5.41. That's my first take profit, but I'm obviously going to be looking forward to this particular resistance, because obviously we had like a lot of resistance areas right over here. So with regards to the time from that I am going to be trading this particular cryptocurrency, right, just like I told you, I have a few hours. Tomorrow is going to be a Monday. The S&P 500 plus the traditional markets are going to be operational, so I have about 24 hours. So most likely everything that I'm talking about is going to be invalid in the next 24 to about 48 hours. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay in contact with me so I can just give you an update of what I'm doing. So basically I'm trading Uniswap and Avalanche right now. So obviously I got to buy in around this area, and my next take profit area is going to be around $5.41. If we continue pumping, I'm obviously going to look forward to about $6.42, and finally $7.43. Now, just due to the fact that the market cap of Avalanche is only around 114 million US dollars, right, in comparison to Uniswap, which is already close to $1 billion, it's around 636 million US dollars, right? If Avalanche would do a Uniswap, right, that would be like literally a 5x from now, and that would be like decent profit. But this all depends on the traditional markets, the S&P 500, the gold market as well. So this is one of the reasons why, if you guys are going to be longing anything, you have to utilize a stop loss, a very tight stop loss. You have to put a trailing stop loss, a take profit stop loss. You already know how to do all those things. If in case you don't really know how to do those things, please Google. Google is your friend. In case you've got any other questions, please email me, DM me, and all that good stuff. I'm going to be able to like allocate a few moments to just, you know, put you in the right direction. But I really want you to be very savvy, and I want us to form this crazy army of vigilant people. Okay, I don't really want, you know, blind followers. In case I say some weird stuff or some irrelevant stuff, some inaccurate stuff, you have to put me on blast and just rebuke me and just put me in the right direction. So more of the story is I'm trading Avax and Uniswap. So right now I'm actually leaning towards Avax because Avax has got like a higher hype cycle in comparison to Uniswap. I really think Uniswap already had its hype cycle. I mean, of course, in the long term, right? I mean, like 3 years from now, 2 years from now, Uniswap has got like the best possibility to do tremendously well. But I'm just talking about in the short term, like, I don't know, like 48 to about 100 hours from now. So I really feel like Avax can give me more gains because it's just like really getting ripe for the market. So I really hope that you guys understand. But however, I'm just going to be trading both of these cryptocurrencies, and then I'm just going to see how it's going to go. So anyhow, in case you guys have got any other questions, contributions for me, drop everything in the comment section below. It's been your boy Muna, aka Beyond 10x. Yo, thank you very much for supporting me. Hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, drop all the questions, contributions in the comment section below. So take care and bye.